Oh, I broadcasted myself. Hello again. I just finished this up today. Looks like a very primitive control panel. That's the way I like it to look. And I'll be adding on the bottom part this part. Get around here. Down here. Just bolts on. And intertwine them. I gotta make a frame to hold it steady, but get around to that, no problem. This is coming along good too. High voltage section. Pretty well done, except for wiring it in. Doesn't take too long. I've done this before many times. The ground ball. Sparks can bounce up there and into the ground. And let's see, so I get all of this arranged too, you know, everything here. Got this down too. A lot of work. Antenna tuning system. Around the corner we have capacitors down here. So it's going to be interesting, that's for sure. Big variac. Yes, I get away with using nichrome wire to even out the amperes. I'm working on this fellow. That's a piece I made the other day. Just got to polish it up a little more. And tighten it up the way that goes. I'm just going to replace the back here a switch. Toggle switch. On, off, on switch. Close this door and lock it up. That's the case I built for it. It's locked. That's off. Turn that off. Yeah, it's a case I built. That weighs about 50 pounds, the case. Everything measured properly and done. Anyway, I'm gonna get going.